Welcome to mantechhd. In this video we are showing you the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra 4x4 truck model. Toyota will debut the new Tundra full-size pickup truck later this year, and we've already gotten a glimpse at the new truck's front end. Now Toyota is sharing a few details of what will power the new truck, the iForce Max powertrain, and it could be a V6 hybrid. Let's see some information about Toyota Tundra Hybrid. The current generation Tundra uses the 5.7-liter iForce V8 engine, which produces 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. We expect that the new iForce Max will be a hybrid drivetrain with either a twin-turbocharged or naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine because of 3 intake runners on each side and blue Max lettering. Just 2 weeks ago, the most famous Toyota sports division in North America, Toyota Racing Development, TRD, showed us the new version of the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, the sportiest version of this pickup destined for the American market. Now it was the turn of his older brother, the Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, which in recent days has anticipated its presentation with a series of leaks of its final appearance. Now here you can see the several colors are available on all new Toyota Tundra Hybrid. The truck seen here is the rough and tough TRD Pro model, as evidenced by its unique wheels, badges, and design details. The overall look is, well, it's different, that's for sure. The LED headlights and running lights sit atop a vertical air intake, and the huge grille has a trio of LED light strips, one beneath the Toyota logo in the middle, with 2 more on the outer edges atop the bumper. The 2022 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro model should cost just over $50,000, and the base truck's starting price is expected to be around $36,000. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.